I am on my way to, let me put on the light. Okay. I'm on my way to grab some dinner by myself, you know, with everything going on in the world and like me working at home. I just want to get out. So like I try to like take at least once or twice a week just to like explore something new, get something not working. The color's pretty, but look, it's very flimsy. It's not even, I swear, walking and talking is like difficult. I am gonna try to get out. You know, I like the setup here with the caviar on the tables. So everything's like really nice and chic here. It's my first time because I feel like I'm nuts. I'm crazy. Like I'm talking to myself, which I am. I'm talking to you, but you know.
The most fabulous restaurant I ever went to was the old Bentleys. Yeah, it was a frozen one. This is
Well, I had a very interesting night. It's so beautiful outside. Look, so pretty. Everything's pretty, and I overdrove the lining out of my lips. Oh, oh! I can play this to my advantage. Hold up. Beyonce time. Yes, ma'am. But I had a great night. I got to socialize and I met like a bunch of people. So like your girl got like free drinks, and I know I'm like all over the place. I got this ring light. You can't see it, but I can actually take it off. See, like, look how much of a difference that is. Like you got a halo over your head. But I got this from Walmart. It's $4. Like, you cannot beat that. And like, that's a major difference. You see how different that is? Like, it actually highlights and looks good. So like when you're taking selfies or even filming like me, like you can look good. So like I picked this up and I was actually interested because like I said, the price, and then like I was also looking for like a ring light, but I'm gonna order it from Amazon. So that's what I decided to do, because their ring lights are like $30, and then like my nail keeps breaking off. But they were like $30, and then they had like a vlogging kit. Where's my keys? I just had it. And then they had like a vlogging kit, and the vlogging kit was like $60. I'm like, I can get like a vlogging kit. I'm like, you really don't even need a vlogging kit. You just need like a good camera, such as the Samsung Galaxy Plus, or iPhone, whichever one. And you can do your stuff with it. And then I also got one of these tripods, and I have like 2-3 tripods, but like this can really conform to anything, and that's one reason why I got it. So you can just basically like bend and stuff. I can't remember what the original one is called. This is kind of like a prototype. Not a pro. It's not the prototype. It's not like the original thing, you know. But I wanted to put that and get that and put it in my purse. Here it is. So I can be like a traveling one. I should have filmed and eat, but like I don't know. Like I just hate like filming in a restaurant and I'm not like somewhere back into a corner, you know what I mean? And then I have a bunch of people looking at me, and you can like hear people talking. So this was like productive into my whatever. And today's Friday, and I gotta go to work tomorrow. I work on like Saturdays. Oh, be Jesus. I can't wait. But I'm gonna see if I can go to Miami. I do need a break. Like, all this shit's going on. Like, I really seriously do need a break. Just from home, just to get away for like at least 2 days and stuff. So just stay on the lookout for my channel. Like, I'm going to start going back hard on this channel, like posting and like doing things, and I'm trying to figure out my niche, because like I like doing vlogging. I don't have a problem with vlogging. It's just that I don't feel like I connect well with people. Like, I'm really funny and I'm really like goofy, but like a lot of people don't know like my true personality, and so, and that's what I kind of want to bring forth. But what is going on? Why is this thing on here? I do nothing at all. And stuff, they probably heard me saying I was naked at work. Oh wait, but anyway, but I literally do nothing. I always have like a big giant, you know, and plus, like, once I get my bread up, honey, I'm gonna get me a bigger car, because I would love to vlog in the car and have it like up here, but the way that my car is positioned, because it is such a small car and stuff, like everything is close. So like if I So did you get a burger? What did you get? Oh, you got the lobster. Oh, I think it's coming up. I got a salad. Yep, that's me. Thank you. Oh, it's a big salad. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you. She got the lobster roll with the fries, and I got a salad. You're gonna turn into a fish, probably. Didn't you have lobster crab last night? Under the sea. I said under the sea. Let me tell you. Oh, did you see like the one it's not a juicy crab, it's called red crab. They got it in Smartburg. Did you see when they opened back up and like yes, they were mad too. They were like, and they had to call the police and stuff. I'll never forget that. I was like, y'all are ratchet. Y'all be loving some food. Y'all are ratchet. Cause like my mom, she's crazy about crab legs and stuff like that too. She's like, girl, we gotta go to one. I'm like, no. I like, seriously. That I got from my new clothing line coming. The bathrooms are a little different here, so they're like single at a door, and that's fine, but it's like really tight and like claustrophobic. But I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, lunch, whatever it is. So I went to the first food I got, I didn't like it. So the first food I got, I did not like it at all. Having lunch with Charles Evans. This is sort of like Miami vibes for real though. Wait, this is so chic. So cute. I keep on forgetting, since I have the new Samsung 20 Plus, I can flip my camera now. So, it's so cute. So precious. Oh my god. And I know you're probably wondering, where did I get this two-piece from and stuff. I made it, bitch, for my collection. No, joking. This pants are actually a jumpsuit, which doesn't do anything for my hip situation, because I don't have no hips. But